You have not seen the last of Alice Margot.
This number is protected by found phone.
You blocked me.
So I've been gone for a while, handling life and just trying to get through each day. Well, I'm finally back and a little rusty. Today we talked to Mike Anderson, and we get so close to getting an address, but at the very last second, the scammer wanted to change up the whole thing. He wanted us to get gift cards, and that's my least favorite thing to do when scam baiting. Gift cards means there's no information to gather, in turn making it pointless to even bait them, besides just wasting their time. So Alice tells the scammer what she thinks about him, and it turned out to be kind of funny. So let's get to the video. But first, this video is sponsored by Aura. As a customer of Aura, you can ask data brokers to remove your personal information from their database. Someone becomes the victim of identity fraud every 14 seconds, and it can happen as quick as the snap of a finger. Don't let yourself become the next victim. As an Aura customer, you receive access to a wide range of tools to help you stay safe when thieves and hackers are targeting you. And the worst part about you being their target, you won't even know you're their target until it's too late. But with Aura, you have a team of people working around the clock to protect you and notify you if any of your information slips through your fingertips. You also receive a VPN to mask your IP address, which is the VPN that I trust to keep my location hidden from these scammers, an antivirus to keep your computer safe, a password manager so you never get locked out of anything again. Come on, we all know how annoying it is to hit that forgot password button. And every time you contact Aura, you speak to the same person. Consider them your own personal secret service. And here's the best part. If you use my link, you get a free 14-day trial of Aura to see if it's something you need. The link is in the description below. Keep you and your personal information safe and have a great day. If you like content like this and want to see more, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to tell me in the comments, or simply by hitting the like button. And now, I introduce to you, Mike Anderson.
This is not an accurate depiction of the target scammer, but simply a funny picture of what I imagine the scammer looks like. If you look like this, don't be offended. You're beautiful and the world loves you. If you're the scammer in the video, I hope you get arrested and you're forced to pay back every dime you've ever stolen from your victims. You're stupid and hopefully malnourished.
Chris Dumden is not available at the moment. Sending you to voicemail. Begin speaking at the tone. When you are done, hang up or press pound for more options.
This is Alice Margot. I need to get some information. It says you have a prize for me. Just call me back.
It is Mr. Mike Anderson, and it's the Publishers Clearinghouse. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. How are you?
I'm doing fine also. Thank you for asking. And nice to know that you're doing okay. So it is the Publishers Clearinghouse, okay?
A publisher's clearinghouse?
That is correct. And we have sent you a couple of voice messages pertaining to your prize you have won. Did you got our voice message?
Yes, I got the voice message. It told me to write down the confirmation number.
That is correct, 4747 US. And also, you're going to go ahead and state your first and last name.
Alice Margot. It's M-A-R-G-O-T. It's M like Michael, like your name.
That is correct.
A like Alberta. R like ready. G like gotcha. O like over. And T like target.
Your first name is Alice, right?
Yes.
Okay, and how do you spell it?
It's A like apple. L like loser. I
Right.
like just the letter I.
Right.
C E.
Right, okay. Did they notify you of how much money you have won?
Let me see, I wrote it down. It says, the prize is 25 million.
That is correct. Congratulations.
Thank you. What do I need to do to get the 25 million, though?
Oh my God, at this given moment, ma'am, you don't have to do nothing than trust in the Lord, okay? It's just a simple procedure to have you registered, okay?
All right.
Oh
I've
my
played
God.
Publishers Clearinghouse for I don't know, maybe 15, 20 years. Me and my husband
Yes,
used to
ma'am.
play together, and then when he
Yeah.
died, we just stopped playing.
So what are you going to write down now? What are you going to go ahead and write down? You have won 7,000 also weekly for life, okay?
I
7,000 weekly for life.
got
And right
$7,000 a week.
for life.
Oh
God has given you
my
this opportunity.
goodness gracious!
Oh my God, God has given you this opportunity today. You have to be thanking God. You should not be thanking our company because God has made this possible for you, which you could have you could help your family and friends. So you could help out your church also, have some charity for your church
Right.
as a good lady.
Yes, I will help the church. As a matter of fact, I will donate the $7,000 a week to the church, and then I'll just keep the 25 million.
God has blessed you, so you could do anything you rather, anything your heart tell you, you have to do. Okay?
Right. I've been needing
You have
to
to
build
follow
a
your-
fence in the backyard to keep the kids out of it. Them damn kids.
Oh my God. $25 million, 7,000 weekly for life, plus a brand new car, which you're gonna write down now. It's a 2023 GLE Benz. Okay?
Mercedes, that is a beautiful car.
Right, and it's convertible, so it's to your suit, okay?
Oh, I'm an old lady, sir. I don't ride with the top down.
I understand you.
Yeah.
We could have a hardtop one for you.
Yes, I
And
will
have
lose my hair if
and-
I drop that top.
We're gonna have the seat could massage you also as a elderly citizen. As I told you, it's 100% for you also. So what we're going to do now, we're going to ask you a couple of questions to fill out your government form.
We're gonna skip the questions because none of this is interesting. He asked me a series of questions so he can learn about Alice as a person. But they always ask this one question so they know what they can expect if these scammers come to your house. This is extremely dangerous. These scammers have shown up to their victims' houses to threaten and extort the victims into giving them what is literally their last dollar. Always use caution if you encounter one of these scammers.
And how many persons should we expect when we come over at your physical address?
It's usually just me. My sister will come and help me sometimes, but it's usually just me at the house.
Okay, and do you have any animals? Do you have any dogs, any cats?
No, we had a dog. He was a beautiful husky, but he died.
My God. We have two types of delivery. We have a private delivery and we have a public. Okay, the public delivery means the paparazzi is going to be coming over, taking your pictures with your check and your car, and you're going to be all over the social media, and everyone in your state will be knowing you are a winner.
I like that. You said the paparazzi will come.
So
I
which
like
one-
the public. It's like when you used to see the commercials where they would come and knock on your door.
Right, that is correct. That's how we're going to have your prize delivered. Same as you see the commercial, that's the same way you're going to have your prize delivered right at your doorstep at your physical address of your choice, okay?
All right, yes, I like that.
Okay, so who do you like, a private or a public
Do
delivery?
the public.
If God forbid, who would you like to put on your sole beneficiary if God forbid? The second beneficiary on the check. Would you like to have anyone on it?
No, I don't. I'm not putting my sister on there, and I don't have any kids.
The taxes you're gonna have to register. It is only for $5,000.
5,000.
Yes, ma'am. So you're gonna write down 0.1% of taxes, $5,000.
0.1%.
1%. Okay.
0.1%. So this is 0.1% of 25 million.
That is correct.
Y'all want to check that real
So do
quick?
you have it written down?
Yes, I wrote that down.
Okay, and do you know once receiving over 10,000 in the United States of America, Uncle Sam and IRS get intervened for their share of taxes?
Yes, I know. They want money from everything.
The Publishers Clearinghouse has go ahead and taken care of 99.9% of your taxes already. Do you think it's possible for you to be taken care of your necessary taxes?
The 5,000. This doesn't come out of the money.
And do you ever drive with $1 million in your car before?
Heavens, no. I don't even have $1 million.
Oh God, because if you drive with $1 million in your car, if the Federal Trade Commission stops you with the $1 million and you don't have any paperwork whatsoever, you know what they could be doing to you, right?
I assume I would go to jail for tax evasion or something. Now, after the 5,000, if I pay that today, do I have to pay the Dallas taxes too?
No, ma'am. This is the only taxes you have which they required you to be having done. Okay, Miss
Okay.
Alice? Okay, so make me know when you have your checkbook in handy and a piece of paper.
I got my checkbook right here.
Right, so get yourself with a clean sheet of paper also to write down the merchant banker name and her address.
All right, I got my pen.
So the scammer decided we were going to mail him a check, which means getting an address. I like getting addresses, so of course I complied and did what he told me to do. Until he changed his mind. A lot of times scammers will get suspicious and try to get their victims to get gift cards. I hate when they want me to get gift cards, so I tried to get him to instead give me the information to mail a check. This is when the bait took a turn and we just had to tell him what we thought about him.
You have them and you have the check inside of the envelope, is that correct?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so are you fully just an attire to go on the road?
Yes, I am ready. Yes, I got everything.
Okay, so when you're inside of your car, you're gonna say, Mr. Mike, I'm inside of my car, and
All
we're
right.
not gonna get disconnected, okay?
Right. Where am I going? The post office?
Right, you're gonna head down to the post office, but I'm gonna ask you a couple of questions, which do you see any Walmart, Cougars, Best Buys, or Rite Aids nearby?
There is a Walmart right over here.
Do you have any Walmart?
What am I going
Right,
to
so when
Walmart for?
you're
I
when
need
you're
to
at the
get a
Walmart
stamp
inside of,
for this envelope.
I understand you. The Walmart, what you're gonna do down at the Walmart, you're gonna have your registration card today also, okay? You're gonna have your registration card obtained first thing before you go down at the post office.
I'm not doing gift cards. I'm not doing the gift card thing today. It is so annoying. We were so close and now he's skeptical. I was thinking about it, but with us being
And
this
do you
close,
really drive with your radio off?
Yes, I don't play any kind of music. I'm pulling into the Walmart.
So what you gonna do inside of the Walmart? Right, you're gonna have a one vanilla gift card.
You said gift card.
Gift card.
I'm not doing a gift card now.
And what happened? Remember, it's your registration card today. Also, when you're gonna have your stamp in your hands. Also, ma'am. Okay.
So I need a gift card to win this money.
No, you don't need. You have to have your gift card updated. Okay. You're gonna have your gift card in your hands. Okay.
I'm calling my sister real quick. I will call you back.
I'm about to cuss this guy out. I kind of feel like it's my fault that he got sketched out. Y'all think I was just talking too much?
Mike, are you
Hello?
there?
Yes, I'm here with you, and I have just got your voice.
I just called my sister and told her what was going on. She said do not get those gift cards.
And as you told me, you're not going to put your sisters on the second beneficiary of your check. And why did you call your
Oh,
sister?
it. She knows them. Damn it.
Pardon?
I didn't think of... I have dementia, so I
I
forgot not to call her. Damn it.
I understand you. And what you're gonna do, where are you now?
I'm still in the Walmart parking lot.
So the card you're gonna buy, it's a one vanilla card, okay?
I'm not getting the gift cards. I cannot do that. I will not lose $5,000.
Listen, you're not, it is only for 500 and it's your registration card, okay? The only thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go inside and you're gonna go to the teller and said, I want a $500 vanilla gift card, and they're gonna hand it to you. You're gonna put it safely inside of your purse, okay?
All right,
And come
I'm
back
getting
out of the store.
car now.
That's all you have to do. It's not a hard procedure.
Hey, excuse me. I need $500 on a one vanilla gift card. But here's the problem. Now, don't tell nobody, but this man says he works for Publishers Clearinghouse, and they need the one vanilla for a registration. That's what I thought. Hey, Mike, thank you for your help, sir. Mike, I walked out of the Walmart. Mike, are you there?
Do you take our company for a joke?
No,
Do you
I
take
told you.
our company
I
for
told
a
you
joke?
I'm not getting the gift
Exactly.
cards. I know
Yep.
what kind of man you are.
Listen, do you
Your phone is breaking up. Get a better phone and call me back.
take a
Maybe that'll help.
The person you are trying to reach is not available. Please leave a message after the signal.
He's ignoring me now.
hello?
Hey, Mike.
Hey, Mike.
That's what I said. Hey, Mike.
What happened?
I
Because we're gonna
don't
have
know.
your
I'm
price
going
get.
back home. I won't live
We're
long
gonna have your
enough to
price.
even see the $25 million, so it's worthless to me. I'm going home.
Listen, we're gonna have your price canceled, okay?
Please, I don't want it anymore.
Okay, that's good. So we're gonna have it canceled. So have a great one.
You
And
worthless, you
thanks for making
worthless scammer. That's what you are. You are worthless. Taking money from people. Are you serious? Get a real job. Get a real job. Ah!
The person you are trying to reach is not available. Please. This number is protected by found phone.
No.
The person you are dialing is not accepting calls from unverified
No.
sources. App.
He blocked me. I have another number, but I don't want to ruin it by calling him from the other number. I'm just gonna call him from the other number real quick.
Are you there? You have not seen the last of Alice Margot.
This number is protected by found phone.
You blocked me.
And it turned out to be kind of funny. That didn't sound good, did it? No. So Alice tells the scammer what she thinks about him, and it turned out to be kind of funny. I don't like the way I'm saying funny, though. We're gonna skip the questions because none of this is interesting. I don't like doing this in front of somebody. Threaten and extort. Damn it. Do you want to change shots? Are you recording? Okay, that's it.